Clear correct? Today we will discuss a new topic, van der Waals equation of real gas or equation of straight form of real gas. Good morning all of you. Myself, Dr. Anil Kumar, head CE Department of Chemistry Science, College Science. Today we will discuss a new topic and very important topic. Generally it comes in different exams. That is van der Waals equation of real gas, or you may say equation of straight form real gas. We have to see what are the different collections in pressure or in volume. Generally this is known as ideal gas equation, that is PV equal to nRT. In pressure we have area we will see how P plus A by V square, and in volume V is V minus P. For what are the different changes and what is the derivation behind it has been shown in this topic. First of all, van der Waals scientist in 1873 modified the ideal gas equation, that is Pv is equal to nRT, by introducing the necessary correction. Remember, necessary correction in which part? In pressure and volume. As follows. What is the correction in volume? Let V is the actual volume occupied by one mole of the gas molecule. Since the gas molecules are in motion, so the effective volume occupied by the gas molecule is 4 times. Remember, 4 times the actual volume, that is equal to 4V. Let it is denoted by V. Remember this thing. In short note, in objective it comes. But what do you mean by V? The V is known as co-volume or excluded volume. Thus, the free space available for the measurement of gas molecule or the compression of the gas equal to V minus V. Here, ideal gas expression V is replaced by V minus V. It is denoted by the equation 1. Now, calculation of effective volume is 4 times the actual volume. Here, we have draw a graph, a picture, that is this is one circle, this is another circle, and the distance between this point is R, and the distance between this is R, this is the radius, and the molecular actual volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r, and the dotted line, and the sphere denoted by a dotted sphere, and the excluded volume. The excluded volume for a pair of molecules is equal to 4 by 3 pi to 1 whole cube. This is figure 1. Excluded volume for a pair of molecules. Now the molecular diameter is the distance of the closest approach between the center of the two molecules taking part in the collision. Thus, the center of the two molecules cannot approach closer than the molecular diameter as shown in figure 1. Let small r with the radius of each molecule approaching each other in a bimolecular collision. Thus, the molecules cannot approach closer than 2r. Thus, the pair of polarizing molecules inhabitate the volume shown by dotted sphere as in figure 1. Dotted sphere as in figure 1. Therefore, excluded volume for a pair of molecules is given by 4 by 3 pi 2r whole cube, and say denoted by the equation 2. Also, saturated molecule per molecule is given by 1 by 2 into 4 by 3 pi L2, that is equal to 4 VL. This is denoted by equation 3. Conclusion of that, where V is equal to 4 by 3 pi L3 is the actual volume occupied by the molecule. Now, second correction, that is correction of force of attraction or pressure correction. Now, the gas molecule lies in the interior of the gas, such that molecule A, figure 2, is attracted by all other gas molecules surrounding it. Hence, the net force of attraction, exerted on such a molecule by the other molecule is 0. Therefore, however, for a molecule lying near the wall of the container, such as molecule B in figure 2, the molecule lying inside the bulk of the gas exerts some net inward pull. Thus, the effect of such inward pull is dragging back of the molecule. Consequently, the pressure with which the gas molecule strikes the wall of the vessel is less than the pressure so that would have been exerted if there were no such inward pull. Thus, the ideal pressure would be the greater than. This is figure 2. This is molecule A. This is molecule B, and figure 2 indicates the intermolecular force of attraction greater than the observed pressure by factor P. Hence, factor pressure is equal to P plus small p. This is indicated by the equation 4, where small p is equal to correction factor due to the inward pull. Therefore, the inward pull on the gas molecule lying near the wall depends upon number 1, number of molecules surrounding a molecule. Number 2, total number of molecules. Thus, each of these factors in turn depends upon the density, that is rho of the gas. Therefore, correction factor is equal to P proportional to rho square. This is denoted by the equation 5. But for a given mass of the gas, rho is only proportional to V, that is equation 6, where V is equal to volume of the gas. Therefore, P is proportional to 1 by V square, and equal to P is equal to A by V square, where A is constant and depends upon the nature of the gas. Therefore, the factor pressure is equal to P plus A by V square, and it is denoted by the equation 8. Putting the corrected volume and corrected pressure in the ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to RT. For 1 mole of gas, we have P plus A by V square within bracket V minus V equal to RT, and it is denoted by the equation 9. Thus, the above equation 9 is known as van der Waals equation, and the constant, this constant A and B, the constant A and B is called van der Waals constant, and it depends upon the nature of the gas and is independent of temperature and pressure. But for n mole of gas, the above equation reduces to P plus A L square by V square within bracket V minus N equal to nRT. Also, for n moles of gas, P proportional to N by V, and the effective volume is equal to NV. Therefore, van der Waals equation 9 reduces to P plus A L square by V square within bracket V minus N is equal to nRT. And this equation is known as equation 10. and equation like the Van der Waals equation giving relationship between pressure, volume, temperature, which is obeyed by the real gas over a wide range of pressure and temperature, and that is why it is known as equation of state for the real gas. Equation of state for the real gas. This is all about Van der Waals equation. Thank you.